Let me show you a few different things that you can do if only one earbud on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 are working. So for example, if one is like producing sound and other, for example, is not producing sound. So the most common issue why this happens is basically they have messed up the like charging imbalance of them. So for example, one has actually charged it up fully, but for some reason maybe the other one hasn't actually fully charged it up, and essentially this one, for example, still has some battery juice in it, whilst still this one doesn't have. So it simply has run out of battery and you might simply need to recharge and recalibrate them. So again, simply insert your earbuds in the case. And also when you actually insert in the case, verify that actually the green light actually does some kind of action. So see if I place it on, till I go off and start again like be still. So again, it clearly responds. So see when I actually insert it in the case. So if it doesn't respond, then what you have to do is you have to check if you still have like enough battery juice in the case, or also if the contacts are actually clean on the case and also on the earbud itself. So you see you have like two contacts here that essentially connects to the earbud to be able to charge them. So what you can do is maybe take a toothbrush and simply brush off these contacts so they can actually make a proper contact, and do the same also on the earbud itself. So you see if I zoom in, so you see you have those two metal dots. Make sure they're completely clean, maybe take a cloth, wipe them off. Again, maybe a toothbrush, see if maybe there's something stuck on these. So if something is stuck, essentially it simply doesn't make properly contact, and the one earphone is simply either not getting like charged at all, or maybe it's simply like charging way more slowly than the other one. So it simply creates this charging imbalance. Then the next thing, if you are sure that they are actually getting fully charged, and that's not a problem, what I suggest to do is do a hard reset on them. So for example, if you go in your settings, so if you have a Samsung phone, if you do not have a Samsung phone, make sure to download the Galaxy wearable app. So click on the buds here, and you see in the managed connections, you have this reset function that will clear all the settings and basically return them to the factory state. But again, so all the customizations that you did to them again will be completely gone, and that also will essentially probably revive your earphones. If you like simply like press and hold this button on the like end here for a few seconds, it will only enter the pairing mode, but actually it won't reset the settings and everything about them. So again, we go over here. So let me show you how that looks. For example, let's wake up. Okay. So you see you click over here and click on the connections and do a reset here. Reset. Again, it will like clear everything and return to the factory state essentially. And it will offer you to pair them again. So then what if this still is not working for you? Then what I suggest to do is do a forced restart on your phone. Maybe there's something off with your phone and not the earphones. So again, we also want to clear the Bluetooth adapter on your phone. Maybe that is actually causing the problems. So the way we do it, we hold the power plus volume down at the same time for maybe like 10 seconds. So you see power plus down and keep holding for maybe like 10 seconds. Let's see how long it takes. So you see, and then you can release. Essentially, it's also doing a basic housekeeping, checking if everything is okay, resetting all the Bluetooth and network adapters, and again, like doing maintenance on it essentially. Again, it won't delete anything, but just reset all the adapters if you do this through this. Okay. And also I'll show you one more thing. So let's boot it up. Also, what I suggest to do is, if none of this stuff works, also try to literally pair it with another device, maybe another phone or PC or whatever you have, and see if they actually work on another device. If they actually do not work, then you for sure know that there's something wrong with the earphones and not the device that you're actually connected to. So that's a good way to rule out, yeah, maybe there's something off actually with the earphones. So yeah, also in a phone, so you see in general management, we can go over here in the reset options, and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So again, it will like clear all the adapters for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Again, return to them to the factory state essentially. So again, maybe you set something off with the Bluetooth on your phone, maybe that will fix them as well essentially. But yeah, apart from that, also yeah, obviously make sure you actually check if they actually respond to the case. And yeah, so you see, for example, if you insert them in a case, again, the light should change. So if the light is actually changing, that means it has actually properly like detected the earphone, and it should also charge. So if it responds to the case but still the earphone is not working, maybe there's some kind of physical defect to the earphone and it simply has stopped working altogether. Maybe it simply became faulty then. So and then your only option is to, I guess, claim warranty if you still have. Okay, good luck.